Are you looking for property that gives you easy access to Eastwood, Bridgetown, Ortigas, and BGC? Then this video is for you. Let me show you the Valeron Tower by DMCI Homes. So here's the most talked about property in Pasig, the Valoran Tower, brought to you by DMCI Homes and Maru Benny. By the way, my name is Lance, your licensed real estate broker. So let's talk about the companies behind these amazing properties, starting with Maru Benny. Founded in Japan over 160 years ago, Marubeni Corporation is a global powerhouse in trade and investment. From energy and infrastructure to real estate and technology, Marubeni connects industries across 130 countries. And now, they're partnering with DMCA Homes to bring world-class living to the Philippines, starting with the Valoran Tower. Moving on with the builder behind the Valoran Tower, I'm very proud to share that we are a quadruple A contractor, which means that we deliver properties with the quality of global level and we are allowed to build properties in different countries. We are known with our signature structural design like the Sky Promenade, Sky Patios, breezeway, and atrium that ensures natural light to easily come in and ensures ventilation. And of course, we are known with our signature hotel and resort inspired structural design. And the newest part of our construction brand, the Skydeck pool located at the roof deck level. When it comes to competitive edge, among other real estate developers, we provide 2-year workmanship warranty. We also have the DMCA Communities mobile app. It's a mobile solution to add value in the living experience in our communities. We also have subscription-free commercial-grade fiber internet in units and select common areas. We have the DMCA Communities Rideshare. It's a mobile app-based community carpool program exclusive to DMCA Homes residents. We also got you in moving in assistance, handiworks, and IT services right in your community. Moving on with the project overview, the theme is modern artisanal of this one high-rise building with 55 stories, including the ground floor with commercial spaces, 5 podium levels, 1 amenity floor, 49 floors for the residentials, 1 roof deck, and 2 basement parkings. Unit offerings is studio, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units. Amenity and open space ratio is 76%. The Valorant Tower is strategically located at C5 corner PE Antonio Street, Barangay Ugong, Pasig City. And one of the keynotes and identifier if the location has growth potential is if there's a lot of real estate developers building their properties in that specific area. There's also nearby transportation hubs like MRT3, Ortigas, and Shaw Station, and of course, the Metro Manila Subway, also known as MRT10, Ortigas North and South Station. When it comes to medical facility, Medical City and Alfonso Specialist Hospital are just few minutes away. When it comes to educational institutions, Reedy International School and St. Paul College are just few minutes away from the Balaron Tower. There's also shopping centers nearby like SM Center Pasig and Tiendesitas. When it comes to commercial centers and business hubs, Arcovia City, Capital Commons, Bridgetown, Parklinks, and Bonifacio Global City are also accessible. So here's the facade of the Valorant Tower. Before we move on with the amenities and facilities, I just wanted to discuss this special feature of this project. We have two classifications of elevators. We have the transfer elevator and the residential elevators. Residential elevator serves you from parking, basement, and podium up to residential floors. And please take note that there's no access from ground floor to ensure safety and security of all residents. Transfer elevators brings you to ground floor to 7th floor. Moving on with the amenities, starting from the 7th floor, we have the open lounge, leisure pool, kiddie pool, children's play area, open lawn, and basketball court. When it comes to roof deck amenities, we have the sky deck pool, sky lounge, sky promenade, and snack bar. Bonus, we have card-operated laundry station, convenience store, and water station. Regarding the innovative design features and services, we are 100% backup power, garbage chute, electrocuted perimeter fence, CCTV surveillance, and 24-hour security. Ang ganda, no? What are your thoughts about the amenities of the Valorant Tower? Feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you're currently located abroad and unavailable for an actual property viewing, don't you worry. I made a quick virtual tour just for you. Introducing the Valeron Tower by DMCA Homes. Your next level home rising in the heart of Pasig. Strategically located along C5 corner PE Antonio Street, the Valeron offers unmatched access to Ortigas, BGC, Eastwood, and even Makati. Whether it's work, lifestyle, or leisure, you're right in the center of it all. This 55-story landmark combines elegant design with practical living. Enjoy resort-inspired amenities like skydeck pool with breathtaking views, open lounges, and beautifully landscaped open spaces. Plus, DMCI's signature Lumivent design ensures better airflow and natural light inside your unit. Perfect for end users and investors alike, the Valeron Tower is a rare find that blends convenience, comfort, and long-term value. Experience high-rise living the DMCI way, only at the Valeron Tower. Are you loving the Valeron Tower? Not only the property tours, but I'm also uploading real estate insights, tips, and hacks that might be helpful for you. So please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as I'll be uploading more in the future just for you. Now let's continue with the unit offerings and price. Moving on with the unit offerings, the Valeron Tower offers spacious units starting from studio, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units. The current value of the Valeron Tower is 175,000 per square meter. So let's now head over with the computation. So we have here the computation for a 2-bedroom with 65.5 square meter with a regular term of 30% down payment payable in 47 months with the balance of 70%. So for the net total contract price, that's 14.6 million. Reservation fee is 20,000. Monthly payable for 47 months is 84,000 with a balance of 9.2 million. And closing fee of 1.3 million. Overall balance is 10.6 million payable through cash or bank financing. I'm very happy to share that we have an ongoing promo with discount, which is a promo term for 15% down payment payable in 53 months with a balance of 85%. So with the same unit type and size, we have here for the net total contract price of 14.2 million, reservation fee is 20,000, monthly payable for 53 months is 36K or 36,000 with a balance of 10.9 million and closing fee of 1.3 million. Overall balance is 12.2 million. Thank you so much for watching. I uploaded 2 Quezon City projects, 1 pre-selling and 1 ready for occupancy. So I hope you can check it out. This is Lance, your licensed real estate broker, reminding you to always do smart living. See you! And price.
Ay, mali. Just for you. So,
Are you loving this property?
By DMCA House. To Eastwood.